Do you ever feel like you're playing a constant game of catch-up with your savings goals? You're not alone. We all know we should be saving, but life has a way of making it feel impossible to get ahead. That's where smart tools and automation come in, and one of the most interesting is Ally Bank's Surprise Savings. So, how does it actually work? Think of it like this: Surprise Savings is an automated booster that analyzes your linked checking account for money you can safely save. It's not magic, it's a smart algorithm that looks at your spending habits and upcoming bills to find what it calls safe to save money. It's that little bit of extra cash that's just sitting there, not earmarked for anything in particular. Once it finds a safe amount, which is always under $100, it automatically transfers that money from your checking to your Ally Bank savings account. They do this no more than 3 times a week and on specific days, so you don't have to worry about it causing an overdraft. The transfers are designed to be small, frequent, and just enough to make a difference without disrupting your day-to-day finances. The beauty of it is that you're saving without even thinking about it. These small, surprise transfers add up over time and can give a serious boost to your savings goals, especially when you combine it with Ally's Buckets feature to organize your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.